What's happening, everyone? We are back today with another video. I didn't actually expect to be doing this because it was already done before all this YouTube started, but I was doing a little video yesterday. It's not going to be posted or anything because it was a bit all over the place and it went a bit funny because I went to fit one of those light up boot switches, which is there, and it ended up blowing my boot popper, so I haven't actually installed the light up one just in case anything was wrong with it or whatever. I don't know. It's just one of them things, so I've just gone back to having a standard button. Maybe I was just shit out of luck and my boot popper was on its way out, but it has been replaced because obviously it didn't work when I bought the car. So that's what we're going to be doing today, because it is quite a... I know a few people have done a few videos on this, but it still does get like thrown at me whether I'm going to do it or not. And obviously the answer is going to be no, because I already had one working, but now is the day to do it. So yeah, I mean, as you can see, absolutely nothing. So let's get this solenoid changed. Okay, so let's just get this boot open. Had to take a little piece that covers the lock here, but I will be re-sticking that on. Right, let's get this out of the way. So obviously my trim's off because I diagnosed this yesterday, but it's literally a case of 1 screw, 2 screws and 3 screws, and as you can see, clips everywhere, so just get a screwdriver behind and pop them out individually. Let's throw that there, and they will be Phillips screws as well. Okay, so once you have this cover off here, you just want to pull this down, and there will be 2 10mm, one here and one here. In fact, they are 8mm. Okay, now that'll fall out. As you can see, you have a multi-plug here. You just press down and remove, and then you have a cable which you flick up and pull out, and that's it there. As you can see, my one is still fairly new looking, but unfortunately it has failed. So let's get a new one. Again, push the cable through and twist, and then locate the cable back on. Plug the multi-plug on. Get 1 bolt on the ratchet. Get it started and don't tighten all the way, so you can align the other one. And once that's aligned, you can tighten both up. Don't have to go too tight, just a little nip. Okay, flip the cover up and press in. I'm just going to quickly test this before I put it back together. Sounds like it's working perfectly. Let's try it again. And we're brand new. So let's put that back cover on and we should be good. That's all for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy, please be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.